OpenClaw versus Agent Zero, which AI agent is better? Choosing the right AI agent can completely change how you automate tasks without overwhelming complexity. Let's look at both options to find the best fit for your needs. OpenClaw and Agent Zero are two powerful AI agents designed to streamline your workflow. The core difference lies in their approach. OpenClaw focuses on versatility, while Agent Zero emphasizes precision and task-specific performance. OpenClaw is an adaptable AI agent that integrates seamlessly into various applications. It utilizes machine learning to learn user preferences and optimize task execution over time. Its strengths include flexibility in handling diverse tasks, from scheduling to data analysis. However, its broad focus can sometimes lead to slower performance on highly specialized tasks. Ideal users include those who need a versatile assistant for multiple applications rather than a single focused solution. OpenClaw's user-friendly interface makes it accessible, even for those less tech-savvy, and its continuous learning capabilities ensure it evolves with user needs. Agent Zero is designed for users who prioritize accuracy and efficiency in task execution. This A8 agent excels in specific domains, utilizing advanced algorithms to deliver precise results. Its strengths lie in its ability to handle complex tasks with minimal input, making it ideal for professionals who require high-level performance in niche areas. However, its specialization can limit its versatility, as it may not adapt well to tasks outside its primary focus. Ideal users include data analysts and project managers seeking a reliable assistant for specialized tasks. Agent Zero's robust analytics and reporting features further enhance its appeal, providing actionable insights at every step. When comparing OpenClaw and Agent Zero, consider your specific needs. OpenClaw's versatility allows it to handle a wide range of tasks, making it suitable for users who want an all-in-one solution. For example, if you need an assistant that can manage both scheduling and data entry, OpenClaw excels. In contrast, Agent Zero shines in scenarios requiring precision, such as data analysis and project tracking. If your work involves complex calculations or detailed reporting, Agent Zero will deliver faster and more accurate results. The trade-off is that while OpenClaw can adapt to various tasks, it may not perform as efficiently in specialized areas, where Agent Zero truly stands out. If you seek versatility and adaptability, OpenClaw is the recommended choice for a wide range of tasks. For those who prioritize precision and efficiency in specialized tasks, Agent Zero is the ideal option. Choose wisely based on your needs and elevate your productivity with the right AI agent.